Add single element to array in numpy. I have a numpy array containing. I want to create an array containing. That is, I want to add the first element onto the end of the array. I have tried the obvious. But I get an error saying value error column arrays must have same number of dimensions. I don't understand this. The arrays are both just 1D arrays.
Append creates a new array which can be the old array with the appended element. I think it's more normal to use the proper method for adding an element.
When appending only once or once every now and again, using np.append on your array should be fine. The drawback of this approach is that memory is allocated for a completely new array every time it is called. When growing an array for a significant amount of samples, it would be better to either pre-allocate the array, if the total size is known, or to append to a list and convert to an array afterward. Using np.append. Using Python list converting to array afterward. Pre-allocating numpy array. When the final size is unknown, pre-allocating is difficult. I tried pre-allocating in chunks of 50, but it did not come close to using a list.
Try this. This URL. Concatenate needs both elements to be numpy arrays, however, a 0 is not an array. That is why it does not work.
This command does not alter an array. However, it returns a new modified array. So, if a modification is required, then the following must be used.